Welcome to English Method, where learning English becomes natural and fun. Today you'll practice a real-life conversation using the shadowing technique. Repeat out loud after each sentence. Don't worry if you make mistakes, just keep going. Let's begin. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and stretch. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a quick shower. I get dressed for the day. I prepare my breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs. I drink a cup of coffee. I leave my house at 8:30. I walk to the bus stop. The bus arrives at 8:45. I get on the bus and find a seat. I listen to music during the ride. I arrive at work at 9 a.m. If you enjoyed this shadowing session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a practice. You can watch this video again and repeat it until the sentences become automatic. The more you repeat, the better you speak. See you in the next lesson, and remember, practice makes progress.